Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use the web browser on your TELEFUNKEN J501 TV. First of all, press the home button and let's start by checking whether the TV is connected to the network. So go to settings and select network. Make sure that you are connected to some Wi-Fi network or to some wired network. If you're not, you can select scan wireless networks. Select your network and connect to it. After that, we're gonna have to enter the apps menu. Let's scroll down to apps, and here in the apps list you'll be able to find this application, and this is the one that we're gonna be using to access the web browser. This app should also be available on your home screen. Open it, and here we can basically use it using our remote control. So on the first page we have the speed dials. Let's add a new speed dial so that we can easily open Google next time we enter our web browser. It will be our home page, so let's name the website, of course, Google. Okay, let it be Google. I'm not gonna change it right now, just not waste anybody's time. Then in address, just enter google.com. And then click submit, click OK, and now we have this page on our speed dial, so we can enter Google directly from the home screen. And after that we can proceed to use Google to search for anything we want to find. So you can use your D-pad to navigate the pointer. As you can see at the top bar we have tabs opened in our browser. We can also switch to history, browser history. We can also go to bookmarks, which we can also add. And what else we have here? We have the buttons to go to the previous page or to the current page, refresh page, change the address using the address field. We can open the speed dial view, and we also have this fancy icon at the top in the top right corner, which lets us add websites to bookmarks, add them to speed dial quickly. We can also check the page's security, open a new private tab, and access the browser settings like zoom, text size, accessibility mode. And we can also clear history quickly here or exit the browser. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.